long hours of surface travel cut down into an incredibly few minutes. Detroit, cradle of the automobile which put America on wheels. Civilization began when man invented wheels to bridge distance and make all the world neighbors.
The aircraft landed in the ocean and taxied to the ship's stern, where the drift sail had been rigged to receive it.
Everybody flew, young and old, even this whole family, the largest in the country. They filled a whole plane. Of course, that was BP, before priorities. The age of flight was dawning, and people all over the country were becoming air-minded.
The nation in 15 hours. Up, up, high up into the substratosphere rises the 45-ton
Enemies of human freedom in this world can, in the end, only achieve their purpose by brute force.
Sunderland's tie up for the night. Although doing valuable service, the Sunderland's part was small compared to the land-based planes. These indefatigable blockade runners carried on throughout the night and into the dawn.